All right, so now we are just about finishing up with our jambalaya. We asked, we added the chicken. We're just waiting for it to, just thicken up just a little bit. So we got chicken, beef, beans, and the veggies. So let's cover this up and give it just a few more moments. All right, and we got our rice in here, and we're just gonna let that sit for a moment while that sits on low. And now we're gonna finish up the cornbread. All right, so our jambalaya is pretty much finished. We're just waiting for it to cool a little bit more. So this is going to be really good, and we're just waiting for the rice to finish up on this side. So it should be probably another, we'll just let it sit in there for another 10 minutes, just so that way we know the rice is actually done, since it's not Minute Maid. And we'll show the final results at the end.